Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel today. I am so excited for this video and I hope that you guys are as well because it is Candle Day at Bath & Body Works, which means that today only candles are $8.95. It is in stores right now. It was online too, but I see that they have sold out already, which is crazy. So if you guys have a store by you, I would recommend going. So they have this super cute little tote. My friend Stacy actually gave this to me because I used to have these candle totes and I totally lost mine when I moved, but they are like the most handy thing to bring with you if you're planning on buying a lot of candles because they fit 2 cartons perfectly, and it was also like downpouring rain today, so those Bath & Body Works bags do not last and they completely break, especially when it's raining. So these totes are essential. I wish that they like sold them every year because they are honestly a must-have, and I'm so thankful that Stacy gave me this one because I fit everything I needed in here. So like I was saying, this is the only time, they only do this once a year, where you can purchase candles for $8.95. That is the lowest they are usually ever going to be, unless you can find some 75% off during the semi-annual sale, but I always like to stock up during this time. I actually didn't get like a whole lot to me because I feel like I have a good collection right now. Like I have a lot of backups and I feel like I really didn't need a ton. So I just got some that kind of sounded interesting. Sometimes it's really stressful to shop because there's like so many people and everyone's just grabbing candles and it's so hard to move around. So I just kind of grabbed what I wanted and I don't think I missed anything. The only thing I really wish I could find was another gooey marshmallow. I do have 2 backups though, but all of my stores are out of that one. But other than that, I found pretty much everything I was looking for. So anyways, let's start here. They brought back some candles for the sale, some older ones. So they brought back Gelato and they changed the packaging on this one. And these are so cool because they actually say the year that they came out. So this one came out in 2013. So it's been a very long time since I've seen this one. I remember when it came out during the Italian collection or something. That was like the peak of my Bath & Body Works obsession, was 2013, and my YouTube was like Bath & Body Works Central. I'm not as crazy as I used to be, but I still love my candles. So I did pick up Gelato. The notes of this one say it's a blend of vanilla ice cream and lemon candy with notes of strawberry and raspberry puree. I think it smells just like what it says. It's really good. So I had to grab that one. The next one I picked up was the French Baguette. This one was one that they released for the sale as well. This one came out in 2012 and I really love the packaging on this one. I think it is so cool. This one, it says it's a blend of slow rising dough, crispy crust, and a fresh out of the oven aroma. And this one, it literally smells like if you were baking bread. I do like it, and I think when I burn it, it's just going to smell delicious like you're making fresh bread in your house. So I had to grab this one. It was raved about for so long, and everyone has been talking about this candle and it's finally back. So I was glad that I was able to get this one. I actually got 2 of them, so I figured I can burn one now and then save one for later because sometimes I just like to have doubles. So I just get weird, like I feel like they're going to discontinue scents and then I won't have it for a very long time. Like this one's been gone like 6 years, so I usually like to have 2 of my favorites. The next candle that I grabbed is the Butter Rum Eggnog. I really wanted this candle. I remember last sale they had only a few of these and they went so fast, but at my store they hardly had any. I actually met a subscriber at my Bath & Body Works, which was so cool, and she pointed these out to me and I was like, yes, thank you, you're such a lifesaver, because this is the main one that I was wanting to get. It smells so good. It smells just like eggnog. This one is gonna go fast, so if you can find it, grab it because it's amazing. And I love the packaging on this one too. It's just like so cozy. Very cute. And if you guys want to know the notes of this one, it says spiced eggnog, vanilla bourbon, rich buttercream, and shaved nutmeg. And then I did pick up flannel at the end. I was kind of like, okay, I need some more. Let me grab like my go-tos. So I pretty much have 3 go-tos for holiday, which is flannel, marshmallow fireside, sweater weather, and I guess leaves. That would be 4. So I had to grab another flannel. I love this scent. This one is like a delicious men's cologne scent. It's like very fresh and clean and just so good. So I wanted to grab one of these. I'm not a huge fan of this design. I don't like the whole like outdoorsy nature camping kind of labels, but I think this was the only one I saw, so I did grab this one. This one has notes of orange peel and patchouli essential oils and notes of soft musk. Alright, next up we have Marshmallow Fireside. Like I said, this one's in my top 4, so I had to grab one of these, and this one looks like this. It's like a little camping tent. This one, it says it's made with cedarwood and Palo Santo essential oils with notes of toasted marshmallow and vanilla. This one is so good. I love burning it in fall and winter. It's almost like a marshmallow with cologne. It doesn't smell like too burnt or anything. I hate when my candles start to smell like burnt, but this one is really sweet and like a deep cologne scent. It is so good. I could smell that all day long. Then I did grab Mary Cookie. I'm so glad I grabbed one of these because I thought I had 2, but I only have 1. So I grabbed another one because this one, it always sells out. It's so popular. I know this one was kind of hard to find during the sale. This one is notes of fresh baked cookies, sparkling sugar crystals, and rich vanilla. Oh, it's so good. It literally just smells like delicious sugar cookies. So delicious, and I love this packaging. By the way, I will link down below my recent holiday Bath & Body Works haul. I did haul a couple other candles before the sale just to make sure that I had them, so I will link that one. Okay, so I also got another butter rum eggnog. I needed to have 2 because, you know, I have this thing. I have to have 2 if it's a favorite of mine, so I did grab another one of those. I have to smell it again. It's so good. Ugh, delicious. And then last but not least, this one's also a double, but I did pick up another gelato because I had to have 2 of those as well because I don't know if it'll come back and when it will come back. This one to me kind of reminds me of raspberry peach macaroon or a strawberry cupcake. It kind of has those like sweet berry and vanilla vibes. Very similar but a little bit different, but yeah, I had to grab another gelato. Alright, so that is everything that I picked up. I spent about $60 and used a 20% off coupon, so definitely head to your store right now if you guys can. They should be open like all day long. Try and see if you can make it. They should have some stuff left for sure, because $8.95 is a really good deal, and it's my favorite time to stock up on holiday candles and a great time to stock up on gifts as well to give others. So that is going to be it for my haul. For a fun little question of the day, I would love you guys to comment down below your all-time favorite Bath & Body Works candle. I would love to know. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll probably have my next Bath & Body Works haul for my annual sale, which I'm super excited. That's always like my favorite thing ever. I cannot wait. But anyways, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.